Looking for a community that has the best of both worlds, lake living and city access? Well, today I found it. If you've never met me before, my name is Yari Karina Jones. I am a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty, and I service both North and South Carolina. If you're looking to buy, invest, or relocate to the Charlotte area, I'd love to work with you. Feel free to connect with me using any of the contact information below. Now, we're gonna tour a community that has a model that is more than meets the eye. Welcome to the Davidson floor plan by Eastwood Homes at Carrington. We are located right on the border of Denver, North Carolina. This floor plan has 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths. It is 3 stories and it is 3,423 square feet. It has a 2-car garage with the option of getting a 3rd car garage. Let's check it out. The Davidson floor plan is an extremely popular plan. You'll see it in almost every community that Eastwood Homes has. I actually saw this floor plan way before I became a real estate agent. I saw it during my interior design days when I was working on a project for one of my clients. The floor plan has changed completely. Actually, there are many configurations of the Davidson. You can get it with 4 up to 6 bedrooms. You can get it with 2 or 3 floors, and you can get it with a 2-car or a 3-car garage. So you can basically pick anything you want in this home. The Davidson floor plan is extremely popular, and it's actually one of my favorite plans. I've actually had 2 of my family members build with Eastwood, and they've been very, very happy. This configuration right here allows you to use this flex space in multiple ways. It could be an office as we currently see it, or it could be a formal dining room, or it could even be a sitting room. Now, let's check out the open concept space that's over here in the living room. This full-size kitchen, gourmet kitchen, and you know it's gourmet because a couple of features will be added. First of all, we see the exposed hood. Now this one in particular is a furniture hood, but you can get it as just your regular stainless steel exposed hood. You also have this setup where the microwave is sitting on top of an oven, and you can see that you can get an island that has not only cabinets on the back side of it, but on the front side of it. This is actually an option if you go to Design Center, and the build time for Design Center is gonna be about 6 months. Here we see that you've got white cabinets, but you have a different color on the island, and that is something that you can choose to do if you do build a home with Eastwood Homes. Now, this is a completely open concept area, so you have your kitchen with your living room and your breakfast/dining room area. This fireplace is an option, but I always say that if you're gonna pay more than $500,000 for a home, you should absolutely add a fireplace. Even though Eastwood Homes is considered a production builder, they actually give you a ton of options for building. One of those is deciding whether you wanna put trim as Craftsman or as Colonial. This right here is a Craftsman trim. It's flat and it's a lot more modern. It also is very convenient in a home that would be, let's say, modern farmhouse or home that's contemporary. The option of doing it Colonial, we'll see it in a later video, but that one is gonna be a lot more classic in its architecture. Another benefit of building with Eastwood Homes is the fact that they're adding in details that you see in luxury homes. Now, this means that you can go with a production builder without having to sacrifice what feel like customized features. So for instance, you have your farmhouse sink, which isn't necessarily something that you can get with other builders. You also have the fact that you can get a furniture hood. That is something that is rare to see with builders today. Also, this butler's pantry here that ties in your front flex space with the kitchen is an opportunity for you to make it anything. It could be a wine cabinet, it could be a coffee station, and these are the kinds of details that you're gonna get in an Eastwood home that you wouldn't find with another builder. At 3,500 square feet, the Davidson is a very large home, but it doesn't feel that way. It actually has a lot of coziness to it. And an example is this bedroom on the lower level. It's the perfect room for a guest or for a family member that wants to be separated from the rest of the family. It comes in right through the garage, so it gives so much privacy to this section. Another thing that's super cool about this bedroom is that there's actually a door here, and this door leads into a bathroom. Now, I just want to point out that yes, the door is green, and that's not something that Eastwood Homes is going to allow you to do at Design Center, but it's really good to know that this is a cool feature that you can add afterwards. This bathroom, this full-size bathroom, can also be accessed through the hallway. But what's really cool about this floor plan is that this section can be reconfigured to add a half bath here where you currently see a closet, which means that whoever is staying in that bedroom can have complete privacy and dominion of that bathroom. This section right here is a great place to put a drop zone if you decide to go to Design Center, and of course you're going to access your garage right through this hallway. The Davidson floor plan on this second floor gives you the option of adding 3 to 4 bedrooms. There is a separation through this loft right here of the primary bedroom and the secondary bedrooms, which is awesome because then the primary bedroom feels like its own wing. Right behind me, you'll see the laundry room. You have a couple of options as refers to this laundry room. You can either create a laundry chute that allows you to throw your clothes over from the bedroom. You can also add cabinetry like you see in here, or you can add a door so you can walk right from your bedroom into the laundry room. Whether we're talking about the exterior of the Davidson, which gives you about 7 to 8 elevation options, or the interior of the Davidson, this floor plan has nothing but options, and more options. Here we see a Jack and Jill bathroom that's servicing these 2 secondary bedrooms, but you also have the option of eliminating this section and just creating a bathroom in front of the bedroom. So now we're going to turn our minds to that master bedroom. The primary bedroom in this floor plan is massive. And if that isn't enough for you, for all of the clients that I have that love clothing, they have an additional room that can be utilized as a closet, as an office, or as an additional bedroom. One of the questions that I often get asked as a realtor is, where are all the tubs? And the truth of the matter is that a lot of builders have decided to eliminate tubs. Eastwood, however, has not. They give you the option of getting a tub as well as a shower, or you can also do a luxury shower that is much larger. You see the tile is going all the way to the ceiling, which is the mark of a luxury builder. And I also have a little secret that I just found out from the builder, that they are now allowing you to do freestanding tubs in the primary bathroom. If you feel like you need more room, you can actually make this third level, which adds another 400 square feet to your home. This is being treated as a bedroom with a bathroom, but I would actually make it a total she cave. It's pretty astonishing that just a year ago when I visited this community with one of my clients, there was absolutely nothing here. Now it's shaping up to be an incredible neighborhood. This community has 12 different floor plans, the Davidson being one of them. There are 5 ranch models that are great for people that want one-level living. You also are going to get access to amenities here, which is something that you're rarely seeing in the Charlotte metro region. This community is going to have a playground, a pickleball court, a pool, walking trails, a fire pit, and a cabana. So not only do you get a beautiful home, but you get a lot of activities to enjoy as well. Another perk of building with Eastwood Homes is that if you want a fire pit, they'll even build one for you. If you're interested in the Davidson floor plan or just learning more about the Carrington community by Eastwood Homes, my name is Yari Karina Jones. I am a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty. I service both North and South Carolina, and I speak Spanish on top of it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.